Today I'm making plain yogurt at home. It's good for digestion and for the immune system. You just need milk, yogurt, and a yogurt maker. This recipe yields about 600 ml of yogurt. First, prepare the yogurt maker. Mine is a portable device that can maintain 40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius for long hours in a water bath. This is not a sponsored video, so you can use any yogurt maker that you like. Just note that it is important to maintain the temperature between 37 degrees to 48 degrees Celsius, as that is when the bacteria is active. Beyond that range, the milk will not ferment with the good bacteria. I am going to pour the milk into the container to estimate the amount. This is about 650 ml. I am using this yogurt, but anyone will do. Let's place it back in the fridge first. Place a pot on the stove over medium heat and pour in all the milk. Continuously stir the milk on medium heat. It should reach about 90 degrees Celsius. This sterilizes the milk, killing all the bacteria that might be present in it before we add in the good bacteria. If the milk threatens to overflow, remove it from the stove and reduce the heat to medium-low. After about 4 to 5 minutes, I am using a food thermometer to check the milk temperature without letting it touch the bottom. The milk temperature has reached 90 degrees Celsius. If you prefer a thin runny yogurt, the milk can be removed from the stove to cool. My family likes a thicker yogurt consistency, so I will continue stirring the milk and letting it boil for about 10 minutes. This reduces the water contained in the milk while breaking down the particles into smaller pieces, which also help in forming a smoother yogurt later. Alright, after 10 minutes, the milk is done. Switch off the heat and transfer the milk into the yogurt maker's heat-proof container to cool. I am placing the wash food thermometer in the milk as well, and will check on it every 30 minutes to an hour for about 2 hours. Once the temperature of the milk is in the range of 40 to 47 degrees, give it a good stir. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt to the milk and give it a good stir. This way, the good bacteria in the yogurt can start fermenting the milk. Adding the yogurt earlier at higher temperature could kill the good bacteria and the yogurt can be ruined. Set up the yogurt maker and let the milk ferment overnight between the temperature of 37 to 47 degrees Celsius. After about 1 hour, take a clean and dry spoon or spatula and check on the milk. It should have started thickening up in some part. Give it a stir and let it ferment until completed. This step is optional. Alright, it's the next day. The milk has been fermenting for about 18 hours by now. It's gotten soaked, it is like a block. Give it a stir with a clean and dry spoon. It would usually be ready after 8 to 12 hours, which is perfect to make just before bed for the next day breakfast. See, it is quite thick and creamy now. Give it a taste. It is quite tart and delicious, smooth and creamy. If it smells and tastes spoiled or nasty or differently from the yogurt from the original container in a bad way, don't be afraid to throw the whole batch away. Wasted the milk is better than jeopardizing your health. This batch is successful, so I will keep the yogurt in the fridge. It can last like this for about a week or so. For breakfast, I am going to wash and clean some fresh strawberries and cut them into quarters to have with the yogurt. Scoop 3 tablespoons of homemade yogurt. Make sure to always use a clean and dry spoon to scoop out the yogurt to avoid contaminating them. Decorate with strawberries or any fruit that you like. And drizzle with a little honey for sweetness, or it can be eaten plain too. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!